Hi. Today, we are going to talk about the job's financial summary. In this video, we will provide an overview of each of the financial activities, describing what they are and when they should be used. As you are working within the job's financial summary and logging financial activities related to a job, you will begin to see that this page summarizes all financial activities. This page provides users with a high-level overview that functions as a checks and balances system, ensuring that all entries are accounted. When the job is completed and all financials are summarized, you will see that incoming costs are balanced with the received payments or credits. Let's take a look at each of those sections. The total job price is the total cost of the job. You'll add the total job price to the job's record after a customer reviews their proposal and agrees to the scope and terms. Sometimes you may need to account for change orders and other charges after the job was initially scoped. The change orders and other charges section is a record of any additional fees and charges that are not accounted for within the total job price when initially entered. Now that we've talked about the cost and fees the customer will see, we can't forget to mention what happens when you are paid. You'll use the Payments Received section to input a record of any payments that have been received from the customer. Payments can be linked to an invoice. Any payment that is not linked to an invoice will be considered an unapplied payment until it is linked. On occasion, you may need to issue a customer a refund. The Refund section will capture a record of any refunds that were provided to the customer. Refunds are issued when money is being returned to a customer. Sometimes you may need to issue a credit to the customer. The Credits section will capture a record of any credits that were provided to the customer. Unlike refunds that are used when you give money back to a customer, credits are used to reduce the amount a customer owes or to write off bad debt. When looking at your financials, you also likely want to know what the summary of the outstanding balance is. Within the Outstanding Amount Owed section, you'll be able to see how much money is still owed. To account for any commission you are paying your sales reps for a job, you'll want to use the Commissions section. This section should be used to record any commissions that are due to be paid for a job, as well as logging when they were paid. Now, as much as you'd like it, the total amount of money you are receiving from a customer likely isn't all profit. Most businesses will be working with third parties to deliver their goods or services. The Accounts Payable section will be where you will want to capture a record of debts due to subcontractors or vendors for goods or services. The Accounts Payable balance includes short-term bills or other liabilities that are related to the job and due to be paid. Now that you know a bit about the various sections within a job's financial summary, dive in and start recording your financials in Leap today